Hey everyone, let's dive into a Fibonacci sequence, a super cool math pattern. So it's a series of number, like each number is a sum of two previous number with the base condition f is equal to 0 and f is equal to 1. And the formula is like Fibonacci n is equal to Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. If I show you the example, you can see this series of numbers where the this number is the sum of these two previous number. Similarly, if you go and like see this number 3, it is the sum of these two previous number, 2 plus 1. Oh, let's I think it's enough mathematics. Let's dive into practical. So I will show you a Python code that how you can run a Fibonacci sequence in Python, and after this we will test this. So let's so here we have created a function where num is taken as an argument, and this is the base condition 0 and 1. And then we have started a for loop. In that for loop, it started with number I, like I is the number and a is the variable. The variable is the Fibonacci number of this number I. And then yes, and after this let's run this code, fx, and then python fib.py. Okay, so let's try with 25. We are entering number 25. I will maybe, yeah, 25. Yes, you can see here. So as the definition of Fibonacci sequence, any number is the sum of two previous number. So let's take this number 8, this 8. So if you add this his two previous number 5 and 3, the result will be 8. Similarly, if you add this two number 144 plus 89, it will be 233. So this is called the Fibonacci sequence of Fibonacci number, and this is the Fibonacci magic. If you like this video, please subscribe for more. Thank you.